Hi, Christina. This is how we handle cuts. So I have a picture in the page and I right click the picture and I say send to Claro. I first want to have it optimized. And as we talked about Claro, you can now see that it is here in it's being handled by the Claro application. So the picture goes away, is optimized, and then returns. And this will take a couple of can take a minute, can take half a minute. So we're not gonna wait for that, and I'll cut something into the video, but I let it run and then it will come back. So it's 1 minute and 15 seconds underway, and you can see it is gone from the list window. That means that it has been made CMYK into the page. I can check that, check page, and then you see that it has no indication error anymore. So it means that everything went well. So if I want to clear the check page, I do it like this. Okay, and now I zoom into the picture. So I have now a modified picture optimized. So I now open it with Photoshop. Open with Photoshop. Yes. Then it opens it like here, and then you can with a plugin remove background which you have. You can remove the background. So it's now also sent away, and it comes back with a separated layers of the image. Is a complete free cut. If I would save it now, then it ends up as a free cut in the page. But not that's what I'm not going to do. I'm going to select this layer with the Steuerung-Taste, and then it generates a path. So that is step one. Then I go to paths, and then I create another temporary part of the selection, the standard method. So now there's a path here. I double click this one, then I get this one and I give it a name. Okay, fine. So this part is still there. Then I go to the hamburger menu, they call it. I say Uitknipppad, and you probably have the German word there. And then it generates a second Uitknipppad, and I say OK. So at this moment, I have a path and an Uitknipppad, so it has a text runaround part. So the only thing I have to do now is go to modus and make it CMYK, and then pick any one, not the middle one, but I always pick this one. It says you want to convert it. Okay, yes, fine, okay. And now I'm ready. So I now can close the image. Do you want to save it? Yes, I want to save it. Pop-up menu and say okay. At this moment in time, I have created a free cut, and you see there's a thing going on in the page, but that's a temporary error. So I do a save of the page. I'll close the page again, and then I'll open it again. Let's see. I open it again. So you can see that we have the image here. So I have to click everything off now, because otherwise things starts to run around. So now I take the image and place it here, and when I do it, for instance, like this, and then I'll say run around, a wrap around object change. You can see there's a run around of 0, but I can make even bigger, and so I have a text run around an image. So I hope this was clear to you. Bye bye.